Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox not installing on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, go to the location where you have the setup downloaded. Now try running the setup as an administrator. Click on OK and see if the setup runs without any problem. If it doesn't, go to the search bar and search for Settings. Open it and inside Settings app, go to the Security tab in the left side menu. Now open the Threats Protection tab, try disabling your antivirus and then running the setup. Sometimes it is the antivirus interfering with the installation. If the problem persists, try downloading the setup again by opening any preferred browser and searching Roblox Download. Click on Download for Windows button and try installing again. Another thing you can try is checking if Roblox servers are working properly or not. You can do it by going to the browser, then searching Roblox status and see if the servers are working properly. If there is any problem reported recently, just wait for an hour and try again. And that's how you can fix Roblox not installing on PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.